Akbar asks, Birbal answers. One day, Akbar announced, I have 5 questions for everyone today. Let's see who is the most sensible among all of you. He asked, Name the best flower. All the courtiers named different flowers. Birbal said, The cotton flower, since cloth can be produced from it. Akbar asked, What is the best leaf? The courtiers named the neem leaf. Birbal said, The betel leaf, which is offered to friends and foes. Akbar asked, Which is the best milk? Everyone said, Cow's milk. But Birbal said, Mother's milk, since it helps a baby grow. Akbar asked, Where is sweetness? While the courtiers named various sweets, Birbal said, In the tongue, since it is capable of tasting. Akbar asked, Who is the best king? All the courtiers said, You. But Birbal said, King Indra, because he sends rain, which helps crops grow and we get our food. Akbar liked all of Birbal's answers. One-eyed Abdul Kareem. One of Akbar's courtiers went by the name Abdul Kareem. He was blind in one eye. He was also jealous of Birbal. He spared no chance to spoil Akbar's impression of Birbal. One day, Kareem saw Birbal spitting betel nuts on a palace wall. He went to Akbar and complained about Birbal. Akbar was annoyed. He said, Birbal, why did you spit on the palace wall? Next time, spit in an empty useless place. Birbal apologized to Akbar. Next day, after chewing betel nuts, Birbal spat into Kareem's blind eye. Kareem went running to Akbar. Akbar roared, Birbal, what is this? Birbal bowed and said, Your Majesty, Kareem's blind eye is empty and useless, so I spat in it. Akbar laughed. He told Kareem, It's not right to tell tales. When you saw Birbal spitting on the wall, you should have asked him not to do so, instead of complaining to me. Hairless Palms. One day, when Birbal entered the court, he saw Akbar sitting quietly on his throne, staring at his hands. Birbal bowed and asked, Is all well, Your Majesty? Akbar asked Birbal, Why are my palms hairless? After thinking for a while, Birbal said, You are very generous, Your Majesty. You always shower everyone around you with gifts and money. You always give away things to the poor and the needy as well. Your palms are always rubbing against the gifts. Hence, no hair can grow on them. Akbar's eyes twinkled in amusement. He asked, Birbal, why doesn't hair grow on your palms? Birbal replied, Your Majesty, you always give me rewards and gifts. My palms rub against them every now and then. So my palms are hairless as well. Akbar smiled at Birbal's quick-wittedness. He said, Here's one more gift for your quick reply. Take my diamond necklace. And he handed it to Birbal. Birbal, the magician. One day, a jealous courtier tried to plot against Birbal. Before Birbal entered the royal court, the courtier had whispered in Akbar's ear, Your Majesty, Birbal is neglecting his duty and indulging in useless pursuits. I've heard that he is learning magic. When Birbal came to the court, Akbar asked, Birbal, I heard you know magic. I have lost my ring. Can you find it? Birbal understood that this was the work of a jealous courtier. He said, Yes, Your Majesty. I will chant a spell and the ring will be on your finger. Saying this, Birbal began to chant some mysterious words. Akbar had actually given his ring to the jealous courtier and asked him to hide it in his pocket. The courtier was scared that the ring would fly away, so he held it tight. Birbal noticed this and said, The ring is with him. Akbar smiled. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.